Welcome to our guide on Mi Backup and Restore. Today, protecting your data is crucial. Xiaomi offers powerful tools to securely back up and restore your personal information. This guide covers step-by-step instructions, tips, and best practices to keep your data safe and easily recoverable. Way 1. Mi Backup and Restore with Android Backup and Restore Easy and Secure. For an easy backup and restore solution, try Mobikin Backup Manager for Android. It's simple, secure, affordable, and perfect for backing up Xiaomi data to your computer and restoring Mi backups without issues. Step 1. Download and install this Android backup product on your computer. Launch the program, then attach your Xiaomi Android phone to the computer via USB. Once recognized, choose Backup from the window. Step 2. This utility allows you to choose the file types for backup from your Xiaomi phone. Select your preferences and click the Browse button to designate a backup data location. After that, click Backup. How do I restore data from the Mi backup? Once your phone is identified by this product, click Restore. Choose the desired data types and click Restore again to get the backup data to your Mi phone. Way 2. Backup and restore Mi via Assitant for Android. For efficient content management on Xiaomi, try Mobikin Assistant for Android when Mac. It offers one-click backup and restore, plus easy organization and editing of contacts, messages, multimedia, and apps. How to back up Xiaomi phone with Mobikin Assistant for Android. Install and launch the program on your PC or Mac. Then connect your Xiaomi via USB. Once detected, go to Super Toolkit and select Backup. Choose the file types for backup and select the desired path on your computer to save these files. Finally, click the Backup button to get Mi Phone backup to your PC. How to use this Mi Backup software to get the backup files back. Connect your Xiaomi or Android phone. Then open Super Toolkit and select Restore. Choose the file types and click Restore. Way 3. Backup Mi and restore Xiaomi backup via local backup. Open the Settings app. Navigate to Additional Settings and select Local Backups. Click on Backup to initiate the backup process. How to restore Xiaomi from your local backup. Copy backup files to MIUI Backup, All Backup, and rename the latest folder. Delete unnecessary backups, then go to Settings, Additional Settings, Backup and Restore Local Backups. Select the backup and tap Restore. Way 4. Backup Mi Phone and restore it using Mi Cloud. Go to Settings, Mi Account, and log in. Enable Mi Cloud Backup under Backup Device. Then schedule or tap Backup Now for an immediate backup. How to restore Mi Cloud Backup. Go to Settings, Mi Account and ensure the device is linked to the correct Mi account. Select Restore from Backup. Choose the file from Mi Cloud and tap Restore. Way 5. Perform Mi Backup and restore with Mi PC Suite. Download, install, and launch Mi PC Suite on your computer. Connect your phone to the computer using a USB cable on the main PC Suite screen. Click the Backups option. Press the Backup Now button to initiate the device backup. Way 6. Fully back up and restore Mi Phone with Google account. Backup. Go to Settings, tap Google or Accounts. Enable Backup to Google Drive and tap Backup Daily. Restore. Factory reset. Sign in with the same Google account and restore from the latest backup. Extra. How do I recover data from my Xiaomi phone? If data is lost before backing up, third-party recovery tools offer an affordable solution. Check out 4 methods to recover files from your Mi Phone without a backup. Remember, stop using your phone and use trusted software for prompt recovery. Hope these methods help you recover your data easily.